Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 10th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 10. How to upload a document. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the referral you wish to upload a document to. It is a requirement of the PSS to send and upload a copy of progress reports to the client's referring GP at regular intervals. A GP report is to be uploaded between the client's first and third session, at session 10, and at the closure of a referral. Please consult the PSS guidance document for more information regarding reporting requirements. To upload a document, click on the Upload Document tab on the Actions page. Click on Select a file. Now select the document you wish to upload and click the Open button on the bottom right side of the pop-up screen. Please note rediCASE will not upload documents with any special characters or full stops in the file name. Now click the Save button on the bottom right side of the screen. To check if the document was uploaded correctly, click on the Docs Communication tab in the client file. Once you have confirmed the document has been uploaded to the client file, you can now exit the client file.